How to fix no longer have access to these Facebook option not showing. So if you're facing a problem of no longer have access to these option not showing on your Facebook recovery page, then what you need to do is first you need to choose a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with my Chrome browser. Once you're here on the browser, you need to go with the search. Under search, you need to search for and fake account Facebook Help Center. Once you searched, here you will have hacked and Facebook accounts, Facebook Help Center. Tap on the first option. Now tap on reset your password option. Once you tap on it, now it will give you this kind of interface where you just need to simply scroll down and then go with find your account page. Once you're under the find your account page, now you need to enter the email address or mobile number associated with your hacked account. So I'll be entering the mobile number or the email address and then tap on search. Once you tap on search, now here you will get this kind of interface where you will have the email address or the mobile number or Google account or enter your password options, right, to reset your password. And here you will have the option of no longer have access to these. Simply tap on that option and it will take you to this kind of interface where you can simply go with I've lost access to my login details, and you can simply go with the first option, which is set a new login email, and you can set a new login email to your Facebook account, or you can go with the second option, which is confirm that it's you. So tap on start and then you need to upload your ID. Once you upload your ID, then it will help Facebook to confirm who you are. This won't be shared on your profile and Facebook won't store it more than 1 year. So simply tap on upload ID and then you need to upload your ID such as your passport, driving license, national ID card, marriage certificate, or any one of these, and simply tap on the option and then tap on next. And here you need to upload your ID. Once you've confirmed your identity, then you can go with submit. Once you've uploaded, tap on submit, which is on the bottom right. Once you've submitted, then Facebook will analyze your ID and your Facebook account post, and after that it will give you the access to your Facebook account. So that's how you can fix no longer have access to these Facebook option not showing problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.